Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Spotify Premium. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Spotify. Once you open Spotify, you simply need to click on the Premium in the right bottom corner. Once you click on that, here you can see different options and then you need to click on you will see different plans, that is mini, premium individual, premium student, premium due, premium family. You can select anyone. So first you need to click on get premium, and once you click on that, a new page will be loading, so you need to wait for a few seconds. So it will take few seconds to load this page. So you can see that this page will be load up, and here you see different plans. So for example, I'm going to select this plan. Then you need to click on credit or debit cards and put your card details, and after that you can easily buy the plan or the subscription. So here you can see that you need to enter the payment details and click on buy now in the bottom. Once you click on buy now, you can get Spotify Premium. So this is the process by which you can get Spotify Premium. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.